Hey guys, welcome to Athi Tech, and in this video I'll show you guys how you can fix this error which says this extension is not listed in the Chrome Web Store and may have been added without your knowledge. And also the enable button is grayed out, which means you can't actually enable this. So let me show you how you can fix this. You need to remove this Chrome extension from your web browser, and then you have to download the IDM integration module from the Chrome Web Store. I have given the Chrome extension link in the description below, so you guys can download it from there. And don't try to search the Internet Download Manager extensions on the Chrome Web Store because there are a lot of fake ones there. So you directly use this link to access this module, because this one is legit. As you guys can see, it's created by the IDM itself, and it also has a lot of downloads. And I also confirmed this from their official website. Once you added this extension to your web browser, you have to open your Internet Download Manager one time, and that's all set. I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.